introduce you to this little wonder. What is NEOLYS Cosmetic? Do you know the Live Plus in red? There you have the NEOLYS Cosmetics in blue, as easy to use as its body. A wire that can be plugged into the current or on an external battery as you wish. The advantage is that there will be no obsolescence with the battery. Once you're plugged in, you turn on, you select the program. So anti-aging is to revive the production of collagen. It's great against wrinkles. Anti-stains and pollution, it is to have a fresh complexion and fight against spots. Colorings and skin of old, that's right. Stretch marks, no need to draw you a drawing. On anything that's scarred too, it's going to be great. And cellulite, the action is not going to be on the skin tissue, but on fatty tissue. Once you have selected your program, you press the power button. The button works and it lights up. Now is the time to position it. Once it's launched, it dazzles. Precisely so as not to be dazzled. The device comes with small blue glasses, which will filter the red light. That way, you spend a little time. Take care of yourself, in all comfort. Here with the little notice too. Have fun!